Today we're welcome back for another video. I am ADRIA. If you are new here, hey. If you're not new here, what's up? So I was sent a wig from a company. I will leave all the information in the description box down below. They're an Amazon company, so they sent me. Don't write in that, please. So they sent me eyelashes. Those are really pretty and really big. Some straps to adjust my wig. They have to be sewn on. And 2 black wig caps. I've never had a black wig cap in my life. This is a crochet cap, so it's different. Let me show you the wig. She's 20 inches, 13 by 4 lace parting. She came in this bag, obviously. And then she has a hairnet on her, which we're gonna take off. This is actually my first time looking at this hair, so get some honest first impressions. Disregard me, my face, all of it. But anywho, so this is what she looks like. She does have the 13 by 4 parting, comb in the back, then the 3 combs, and then the parting, and it's pre-plucked. It actually looks pretty good. I wish I would have got some dye to bleach my knots, but it's fine for me. I'm actually gonna use my you can't even see it. It's not. Yeah, so the party's cool. I'm actually about to use my lace spray from Eben to make this less like this and more my skin tone. I planned on doing the wig cap method, so we're gonna see how that goes. Y'all aren't gonna see that though, because if you watched any of my previous videos, for whatever reason I am unable to do the wig cap method successfully on camera, but I can do it when I'm not. So we're gonna skip over that. If you're interested in seeing this wig and what she looks like when I install her, then keep on watching. So using this black cap was a little struggly, and then it was all secured. And then I caught myself using this to further secure it down, and it started slipping, so I found a headband real quick so it wasn't gonna slip off. So yeah, anywho, so like I said, I was gonna spray my lace, which I did. This is the one I used, the tinted lace spray. So we're gonna put this on and see what it's gonna look like. Oh, she loose. I've never had a loose wig, y'all. But she's cute. I feel like I'm gonna have to wet her to get her back to the way she's supposed to look. I don't know if y'all have been around long enough to know that I like curved parts. I can't remember. And that's the curl. It's a natural curl of it. and then I'll just comb them all out. All right, so let's speed this up and see what happens. No. And so what I do is I put it through my hair and then I'll wet my hair again and comb it or brush it. Put it on the counter. Put it on the counter. Yep, put it on the counter. All right, so I will be back after this dries and I take this off and we cut the lace. Probably gonna do that all off camera because again, for whatever reason, it don't work out properly when I'm recording. But I'll be back to let you guys see the final results, and like I said, all the information will be down in the description box. All right, y'all, so this is about to be a ghetto outro because I completely forgot I was supposed to be doing this because I be doing too much. And then my baby fell asleep and it's 10 o'clock at night, or maybe it's 9 o'clock at night. Either way, it's super late, but it's Friday, so it's cool. Well, it's Friday for me. It's not gonna be Friday when y'all see this, but nonetheless, this is the hair. So my lace ended up a little light because I was doing too much. Per usual, you can't, well, yeah, you can tell, like it's giving very much over bleached roots, but it's okay. I ain't tripping off of it. I think it looks pretty good considering everything that I just went through. Nonetheless, there's a TikTok up of this hair. Cause she mad cute. It's from what's the company? Maytune. It's really soft hair. I know y'all saw me put this stuff in it. I put too much on this side, which is why this is tucked back like this, because it's just a little lamp. It's just a little way down. But this side is cute, and I fix my face just a little bit. Okay, just a tad. Because I need to take some pictures in this hair for the company. So nonetheless, guys, I hope you enjoyed. But if you like this video, if you like this hair, then give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Yeah, and you can subscribe as well. We got a couple more subscribies, subbies, I don't know, but now I'm rambling. So nonetheless, guys, I appreciate you for watching. Thanks for coming back, and if you're new, hey, and I will see you guys in my next video.